Seeing double? You're not imagining things. Welcome to 35 and 65 K Street. Two brand new homes with the same thoughtfully designed floor plan that just mirror one another. Built by Borges Brooks Builders, each home offers 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and just over 2,000 square feet of move-in ready living space. Inside you'll find 10-foot ceilings, engineered hardwood flooring, quartz countertops, and an open kitchen, dining, and living area designed for everyday life and entertaining. The primary suite is conveniently located on the first floor, and every bedroom has its own private ensuite bathroom. Upstairs are 3 additional bedrooms, including a front bedroom with a vaulted ceiling beneath the dormer. Each home features a screened-in back porch, fenced-in backyard, 1-car garage, and completed landscaping. And another thing buyers will enjoy is no HOA. You're also just minutes from Edwaline Beach access, Gulf Place, and everything along Scenic Highway 30A. 2 great homes, 1 floor plan. Which side of the mirror would you choose? Send me a message and let's get you into the best home at this price point in Santa Rosa Beach.